Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special video. Christian will be joining me today. Today is our 7-year anniversary. So I went a little bit crazy. I bought lobster tails, some potatoes, our first time trying king crab. Huge. And I made some
I think that's as
some
big as
ribeye
Luna.
steak.
That's as big as Luna, just to let you know.
It is. As long, I should say. I made just regular garlic butter here and some lemon. What are you going to have to drink today? I'm going to have Pepsi.
Well, since there's not enough
Okay, Luna.
Pepsi for me and you, I got apple cider. It's not apple juice.
Apple juice, basically. Luna. Sit.
Yeah, just add a little more.
Yes. I moved the food out of the way so you guys can actually see us in the video. I still feel like we're cooking, but it's okay.
It's fine.
You want a lobster?
Holy Jesus.
I know, I'm excited.
Okay.
Sorry I've been gone for so long. I actually did do a video and it will not upload. So I just gave up on it and deleted it.
What a quitter.
I was trying for like a week. And I've been so sick. I don't know if you can hear how we sound funny.
And she got me sick.
Too bad, too sad.
Oh man, it sucks.
I'm gonna eat a potato because it looks yummy. Let me get that out of the way.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
A little hot. There's scissors on the counter if you want it.
Sorry. My bad.
So yeah, 7 years ago today he asked me out.
Yes, I did. Wait, what was it good? What's good? What is it, steak?
It's amazing. Oh, it's so good.
The lobster tail's good.
Lobster tail's good?
Really good.
You showed him?
Oh.
You showed him what you're eating. So yeah, today bought this piece of steak. So good.
So I'm just trying to cleanly take this out of its shell. And Luna doesn't let me because she's constantly tapping my leg.
Today is the first day in a few days I've actually felt decent enough to move around.
Yeah, the day that I get sick. Isn't that funny?
Yeah. So my voice is going to be going in and out just because going over the last stage, and the last stage is when you get that nasty cough and the weird voice.
Yeah. I'm starting that process. Well, not starting it. I'm starting the sick process now. I'm still mad at you for that.
Sorry.
Happy anniversary.
It's all love. Happy anniversary. I'm gonna...
So yeah, our plans for today is
There
basically
you go.
we're making a video,
Yeah.
eat some really good dinner, fancy, and around what, 7?
Yep, we're gonna go watch
We're gonna go to the movie and go watch
Kingsman, the Golden Circle.
Yeah, see how
I
that
actually
is.
like the first one a lot.
Yeah, the first one was really good. So here's my lobster tail.
And the lobster place that I went to,
Where's that mayo ketchup?
I didn't make the mayo ketchup today. We had no ketchup.
No one likes butter. It's mayo ketchup.
They like butter. Eat it with the butter. It's good. So we went to the...
Sorry.
We went to the lobster, this lobster place, and They had lobster tails that were like this big.
How much were they?
It was like the sign said above 14 ounces, so basically above a little bit over a pound.
Mm-hmm. Damn, that was good.
It was like $22.99, $24.99.
Yeah.
I was like, maybe I should do that instead of the crab legs. I was like, nope, doing the crab legs. These crab legs were pricey. They're called bodacious king crab legs. Bodacious. And
I like that.
they were $29.99 a pound. Yeah. Even though I think the sign said $25.99, I wasn't gonna argue.
You heard?
Huh?
Bodacious.
Bodacious.
So, let's try this steak that she says is so good.
I don't know where you put the steak knife, so I'm using butter knives.
We got steak knives.
Mm-hmm.
They're cutting like butter.
Mm-hmm. We like ours like medium. Well, today we're feeling more on the medium-ish side.
The struggle.
Because of that one incident that he did the other day.
And I might do it again.
Yeah.
Legit.
About the steak?
Yeah, I might.
Yeah, he
just
like...
pick up the steak and freaking bite into it. Like a boss.
Yeah, I was feeling a little bit medium today because the last time we kind of had steak, this one over here cooked it.
Don't judge me.
No, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. He was using a cast iron pan.
And I think that was the first time I ever...
And it's the first time he's ever used that pan. And anybody knows out there, they're not the easiest pans to cook with. They get hot. And you gotta be skilled. It was well done. Can you get the scissors?
Oh, it was well done, alright.
It was well done. I just told him I was full. Yeah. Oh, we can use those. Give me. And he's getting these. We're cleaning the cupboards and we find these kitchen shears. And let me tell you.
They're like brand new.
Look at these.
Where you been all our lives? In the cupboard? The whole time? Collecting dust? How do you use that?
I don't know. We're about to figure it out right now.
What? I'm over here struggling on my first one. And...
I love you.
So fake.
I told you there were scissors. I mean, not cut my hand because
We're not using this. Get out of here, bro.
I didn't remember where you put them.
They were underneath the red ones. Literally underneath it.
Oh. I'm trying to get it out. It's like stuck against the wall.
Dude, that steak is amazing.
Oh, it's bomb. I don't think I could go back to the other ones that we buy. You know what I mean?
No. You have your food.
So, yeah.
Dude, these are... Wow.
I'm so excited for this dang movie you don't understand.
The movie?
Yes. Just to go out, period. Saturday, I slept for I was awake for 6 hours of the day. That's how much I slept. It was bad. I was dying.
I worked this weekend, so I really couldn't take
I was
care of
home
her.
alone.
She was home alone.
My aunt came over. Shout out to my aunt. She came over and got me some. She brought me some chicken noodle soup. Had a little conversation with me because the worst thing is people when they're sick, they really do want to be left alone and they really want to sleep, but then they get depressed after a couple of days of that. I've been in the house, oh, someone visit me. I have no energy to visit anybody. Look at that. I mutilated it, but it's so good. Oh. What do you want? Hey, throw your shells in there. Don't do like last time.
I want my own another tail. Because I want to use that instrument. Because I struggled on my first one.
Here you go. Let me lock it for you. Somebody gets cut.
So how do you unlock this?
It's a safety feature.
I know, I just Didn't know.
The butter.
Danger. Okay. Man, these where have these been?
All our lives.
Like, what the heck?
They've been sitting in the cupboard. In a box.
Where did we even get these? Like, I don't know where we got this from, personally.
My mom gave them to me.
Shout out to
My
Sadie's
mom.
mom. Shout out. Because you the real MVP.
I haven't told my mom yet that I do these videos.
Oh, yeah.
And it's not because I'm embarrassed or anything. It's if she sees the food that I'm eating and I'm not sharing with her,
She won't be jealous.
she gonna whoop my butt.
I can see it now.
Like if she sees that we're eating lobster tails, king crab legs,
Oh,
like
you're
not
right,
just
it's
regular
getting
crab
stuck.
legs, bodacious king crab
It's
legs.
getting stuck with the right at the top of the.
Yummy. Whoop.
Nice one.
Bodacious
Yummy.
king crab legs, and this beautiful piece of steak right here. She would whoop me. Whoop me.
She really was, I'm not gonna lie.
Cause I always got my mama's back and she always got my back. Even if we got a little bit, we share. But I can't share it today. So.
Not today.
Sorry, mama. I said I'm sorry, mama.
I'm done with you. I'm done with you. This one has a lot of.
You want some potatoes?
juices. Yeah, please. Why not? I'm gonna make it perfect. I don't want to mess
He
it
wants
up
to
with
make
this.
that lobster perfect. He is struggling.
Cause it's stuck up top on the rim of the.
If he makes it perfect, I'm gonna be proud of you.
Bro, come on now. Bro. Do you see this?
It's perfect. Go close. It's perfect.
Look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it.
One day, I'll just get one of those giant lobsters.
Yeah.
And I'll attempt to broil it, like how everybody makes it all perfect and pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I could just taste it now.
Wow.
Good. It's good.
Right?
Nah.
You sure about
I'm
that?
about to go to the crab legs.
I don't know. You get iron that since you got home.
I know, I'm so excited. But I gotta eat it with you, so tell me when you're ready. We gotta try it together for the first time.
You want to eat your steak first, or you want to just?
No, because the steak will fill me up. Oh, so good. This steak
Damn, 3
is
potatoes.
the bomb. I think I've already eaten 3 potatoes.
Where the sour cream at, though?
Go get it. It's in the refrigerator. I know. Sour cream is like ketchup. You can put it on anything.
Sour cream goes like that in this house.
We go to Walmart
Yo,
and buy the biggest containers.
one night.
And it's just 2 of us. Let me remind you, 2 of us in this house with a puppy.
One night, I was up at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning because I had the night off and I'm usually up because of my work schedule. So I was playing the game, bored, and I was hungry. Got hungry. I was like, you know what? Let me see what I can find to eat. I ate some of my mom's leftover yellow rice with beans and
Arroz con gandules.
and pork chops, I believe. And I don't know why. I put sour cream on it.
It's so good. Stop.
Yo, that. Oh
Now that you
my
say
Lord,
that,
it tastes amazing. I'm like, what the heck? And that's the first time I've ever done it with sour cream.
now that you say that, my aunt, her name shall not be said until I have permission, said she watches this guy, this YouTuber, Steven Sushi.
Sushi.
And I've never watched him, and I'm happy that she told me. And the first video I watched of him was the last one that he did recently. It was the macaroni and cheese one. And he put sour cream in the macaroni and cheese. Like, he put like a dollop, he would stir up that little part, and then he would eat it.
Mac and cheese?
I was just like, it's gotta be amazing. It looked amazing. It looked creamy and
Mac and cheese?
so good. Yeah. We just gotta do it. My mom made a stew, and I put sour cream in it just to make it a little creamier.
Yeah, that was good. I remember that.
So good.
I remember that. That was
So
actually
good. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
So yeah. So we're going to the movies tonight. I hit up the dollar store. Cause you know them dumb snacks is like $5 a box.
Yeah, like what?
Not gonna happen.
I'm not trying
Comments
to pay $5 for a box of Bunch of Crunch.
Comments
When I can
if
go
you
to
guys
Dollar Tree and get
sneak
it for
stuff
$1.
into the movie theaters. What is the craziest thing you've ever snuck into a movie theater?
Funniest thing I've ever seen that somebody brought into the movie theaters was beer.
6-pack, empty.
A 6-pack, empty.
We didn't do it.
No,
It was we saw it there and we were like, what? How? My mom
Like, that must have
snuck
been a
in
really big purse.
McDonald's, Taco Bell.
I've done that.
I saw someone sneak in a 2-liter. They asked for a cup of ice and this is one of those basic ones. You just gotta keep getting them and go get ice.
A 2-liter.
A 2-liter.
Yo, I never heard that one before.
Yes, I was like, what? I want to hear the craziest thing you've ever snuck in there.
You want to bring in a 2-liter tonight?
No.
Or I could bring in my gallon of apple cider. That'll be awesome. I'll just whip it out of my pocket like. You want some cider?
Okay, babe, I have to get into this.
You've been eyeing it. All right, go ahead.
I'm getting the biggest one.
What? But I need all my nutrients and protein.
There's potatoes. Oh, look at this, mama. Bodacious. I just freaking stuck myself.
That's almost as long as our dog.
Oh, I tried to break it. So I asked the lady, how do you cook them? She goes, if you don't have a big enough pot, she goes, steam them. Do whatever. And she goes, but if you don't have a big enough pot, she goes, treat it like wood and just break it over your knee. And I'm like, what? She goes, wear gloves. I'm like, nah, I'm okay. I might get freaking stabbed.
Yeah.
Look at this, mama jama. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, people were not lying when they said this was spiky. I ain't even gonna try. I'm not even gonna try.
I'm not gonna do that.
It hurts so bad.
Do you not see that? Alright, I'm gonna get mine, but it's far away. I'm sorry if you see my arm.
I already got it for you.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. What the heck was that?
It shut out from the other end.
Oh!
Oh, I didn't taste it. I didn't taste
Yo,
it.
that's a big one compared to mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, this has spikes. Dude. You're weak. You are weak.
It's not the weak. I was getting stabbed.
Alright.
Hold on. I'm doing it.
A small little piece. Whoa. Try to make it perfect. I want to see the whole thing. Okay, little girl on Christmas, like what the hell?
That's exactly what. Oh, that's exactly how I feel right now. Oh, little girl on Christmas.
Can I borrow that thing?
Oh, you want to try a bite? Because I already ate a bite.
Can I get?
Wait, I'm not done.
But I need this.
So yeah, I met Christian
Oh, these some good
7
things. I like
more
these.
than like 7 years and a couple months ago.
Yeah.
Hey, you know where our first date was? The movie theaters.
The movies.
Probably a lot of people, but when I first saw him, I'm not gonna lie, he was a lot shorter than I thought he was.
I never portrayed myself as tall at all.
Yeah.
Unless
He
the
didn't.
videos
He
made
didn't.
it, my pictures made it seem like that.
Mm-hmm. And he
Okay.
And me being the person that I am,
Wow.
I couldn't hold in the joke. I couldn't. I go, we walk past the booster seats. And then I go, you sure you don't need one? Oh my God, tell me why the lady in front of us?
Behind us. No, wait.
It was in front of us.
No,
Behind us. She started laughing, like dying. He looked at me like, oh no, she didn't.
Yeah, like what? It's our first date. You trying to play me? Like what the fuck?
Yes, I was trying to play you. And I succeeded.
Like damn, okay.
I'm really struggling to get this out to make it
Let me
perfect.
pull that out. Alright, you messing up. Where's the thing? What the heck?
I got it. Oh. I pierced my skin.
I think someone will hit the camera.
It's okay. Look at this!
Can I get my... Can I get that thing?
Yes, you can. I think I punctured myself, but it was worth it. I'm so excited.
Luna looks real jealous right now. She's laying on the floor staring at me. She's like, you're such an asshole.
Empty. And I'm gonna eat this little mess right here.
It tastes good too. I'm not gonna lie. It tastes way better than
Really?
It does. The flavor of it.
Shut up.
Let's just toss that over there.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Shut up. This is great.
Okay. Damn, why did this one look easier than yours?
Mine had like the connective tissue in the middle that would not let it go. Oh my God.
Why you stepping back? You got scared?
Yeah, I did actually. Oh.
It hurts though because of the...
You want me to help you?
I got it. I got this. I got this.
I got it.
I was dripping on my hand.
Oh, that looks amazing. Look at empty.
As big as my freaking hand. Dude.
Yeah.
Look at it. You see that?
Mine's just bigger.
Size doesn't matter.
Shut up.
Yo, this just is good. I'm telling you, this is better than regular crab legs.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Hold on. Let me do another bite.
I don't know. Let me take another bite.
Oh my God.
Luna's literally touching my leg like, can I get some?
Oh my God. Like, oh my God.
Oh, sour cream.
Dude, I could just buy one of these and make a salad out of it. Like a crab salad. Oh.
I'm ready to get full.
What time is the movie? Because we're going to take a nap after this.
Like 7 o'clock, 7:20. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Guys, highly recommend this.
It's worth it.
It's worth the money.
Listen, if you can't afford it, I'm not telling you to go do it every day. I'm talking about special events like anniversaries, birthdays, stuff like that.
Word.
Because it's Friday.
Dude.
Because you got a promotion.
I
Because you quit your job.
Full.
And you stuck it to the man. Those kind of celebrations.
I'm full. When I mean I'm full, like I'm full.
I'm stuffed. Like, Mama, you getting some.
Oh, you talking about your mom? I'm like, what?
Who you talking? Who my mama talking about?
I don't know. I got confused for a quick sec. I'm thinking like, I don't know if I want any more right now.
After this, I don't think I can shove anything else in my mouth. Why you always gotta make it like that? Can you give me a napkin?
I'm making it the way it sounds.
I didn't even use lemon on it. Now I gotta open another one.
So you have to eat more.
Ugh.
There you go.
I just had to clean
I'm
my...
stuffed. Like, I need to go back to bed, dude.
I'm stuffed. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Why do I always...
full.
Okay, why is it... It's supposed to be a Hispanic thing or a woman thing. I don't know. But I always overcook.
Oh, that's just so...
Always. I was raised with a big family, so when I moved out and it was just me, him, and a roommate, I would cook for like 7 people. And I'm like, why? Why did I do that? Why am I shopping?
Leftovers for days.
Yes. I would call my mom and be like, come get this food.
Yeah. To feed her family.
Oh my god. We have... Move that right there real quick.
I'm full.
We have this little bit right here. These little bit right here. This knuckle.
And this one.
Or shoulder.
Because I haven't eaten that yet.
I think that's it.
And potatoes.
We got like 4 potatoes left, 5 potatoes left.
I'm full.
No.
My steak is not even halfway eaten.
Oh, I ate like 3/4 of my steak. Yeah.
My nose is stuffed.
Did we take a picture of the thing before we destroyed it?
The what?
It's a crab legs, so I can show my mama.
If we did or didn't,
I'm gonna show her the video. Whatever.
Sorry, mama. I'm sorry, mama.
I never meant to hurt you. Silly. Oh my, oh my, oh my.
I think I'm done.
Oh my.
I'm sorry,
Next
I'm
time,
done.
listen, we're new to this whole mukbang and all that. Next time, when I do crab legs, I'm just gonna do crab legs. There's not gonna be no potatoes. There's not gonna be nothing. Because this thing is a meal in itself.
Yeah, dude.
I'm over here thinking it's not gonna fill me up because usually snow crab. I was thinking snow crab. Snow crabs don't fill me up. But when I saw the name bodacious, I should have known.
Bodacious.
No, I just love saying that word. Bodacious. Luna, you want to come say hello? Come here. She wants to say hello. She keeps hopping. Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
She doesn't care. She wants to
say
eat.
Hi to the
you see her licking her lips right now? She's like, yo, can I get some of that?
Give me some. Kisses.
Hey, baby.
This is our baby.
So that's my daughter.
We're
she looks a lot like me.
to have real babies. And that's just what we're saying to ourselves. We don't really want to have children right now.
No.
Maybe when Luna turns 2
we'll have
or 2.5, we might get her another puppy.
A sister or brother. Because
dogs are children in themselves. I'm just happy that she can walk on her own.
Especially
and
this one
do
right
her own
here.
thing.
Especially her.
Oh, she's a spash, but I love her
She's a trip.
so much.
What?
She's like, I'm waiting for that camera to turn off so I can eat. No,
she don't care about what we're saying right now.
No,
she just focuses on the food.
She doesn't.
And then she walks over around us.
Yeah. But you know what's so funny? I might be that weird person when her birthday comes around that has a puppy mukbang. Like, lets her, like...
I'm not going to be in that video.
No, it's a puppy mukbang. It'll be me and the baby. Oh, gosh.
I think she has to go out.
So, yeah. Don't forget to comment below what's the craziest...
Oh, we're done?
Let's see.
Oh, okay. Continue. Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know. Okay.
Don't forget to comment below what's the craziest thing you've ever snuck into the movie theaters. I said craziest thing snuck in. I don't want to see the craziest thing you did in the movie theater because I know that can be misinterpreted. What are you doing over there? Caveman, he's a caveman.
I don't like knives.
I don't like knives. And do you have a question for them?
I don't know. If any of you guys ever ate these crab legs, let us know.
What do they call them where you're at? Again, I'm gonna say it again.
And how big are they? Are they
bodacious?
So
Look at, I didn't even know these things have like fur. Do you see that? That's fur.
What?
Yeah.
They're hairy?
Oh, they're hairy. That's a hairy knuckle.
I'm done with you. I got hairy knuckles. I'm
Yeah.
done.
This is a weird couple.
Yeah.
Our 7-year anniversary, and I'm happy you made the video with me. And you joined us for this amazing dinner.
How can I
And
pass
let me
it
say,
up,
this
dude?
this dinner did not cost as much as actually going out to a restaurant and just getting regular steak, fries, and whatever. Oh, wait. I didn't even eat the apple pie with them. Oh.
No, we're leaving that for later.
No,
Forget that.
He doesn't. He want the way
That's
he's just
mine.
gonna be like this.
Yep.
It's a mini pie.
No fork, no nothing. I'm gonna just take it off from the tray while I'm playing the game. Just.
You're gonna do. Oh my god, I can't remember the YouTuber. What her name is. But she did a video. It's her daughter and her husband doing a video of the taco challenge, spicy taco challenge. I will not. If I remember her name, I'll put her in the comments. She's an amazing YouTuber too, but I'm not good with names. I'm good with faces.
I mean, talking about you showed me a video.
They're eating the spicy tacos, and I swear this girl devoured them.
Like
devoured. Like she went. Like
imagine
she
this
was
is a
eating
taco.
it.
Imagine this is a taco, and she said, "Oh,
gone."
Legit, not even joking.
I was like, oh, I really thought that was gonna win. I really did. She tore it up. So, thank you guys for joining us today on our 7-year anniversary. And I hope you guys have a great night. And a great rest of your week. Since, it's Monday.
Right?
Yeah.
Monday. I got a day off, so today and tomorrow.
Swear. Thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Hit that like button. Break it. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know how long you've been holding that one in, but you wanted to say that for a while. And any requests or questions, don't forget to comment them down below.
Yeah.
Thank you, and have a wonderful night. You're going to have to press the button.
My hands are
Have
dirty.
a wonderful night, guys.